I still don't see how those guys fly through here. Yeah. So we busted new tracks?
Yep. Oh, yeah, because that's how we just had yesterday.
Okay.
We felt people did this before. Whoa! Fun. I don't know if I've done it this way before. A little hard in four-wheel to make the turn. Ah, oh, damn it. Didn't want to miss the fun.
Yep. Yep, you sure did. Just an FYI, I am in no hurry. Me either. Woohoo, made the turn.
Didn't want to miss the fun.
We did the hard part.
You hit that little bypass right there. Stuff like this, you know, being on an ATV rather than a side-by-side. I just think it's fun, you know?
Yeah.
A lot more balance. You gotta have to throw your body a little around. I understand taking a break, but it's that. But
Yeah.
when you're side-by-side, really, that's all you do is you're just along for the ride. Stop. But it's tough. It's an early... Good a bit. throw you up. Whoa, it's going down.
You can do it. You can go right straight through here, Robert.
From here, it does not look like
I know.
the way you would go.
When you get there, you're going to see it's nothing.
Wow, I'm surprised. Still early still. Come on, baby.
I know. I'm still worried about the fish. One side.
You like going up. I mean, you gotta give it that rock. This has that steep climb I just went up. I mean, I had to grin and bear it.
Don't hurry, Daniel's going to catch you.
That one doesn't get ridden on that much. You there?
Yeah.
That starts scratching on that far side, it looks like.
Ah.
You go again?
Yeah, he went again. There he is.
That's why. We were not picking up. We were on one. The girl got blocked by a big tree.
Uh-huh.
I was fourth in line. They all went up right up the hill. Like, one. When I went straight up and went back and pulled my. They stopped in the corner. I was still down there in the corner.
Wow.
That's when I broke my throttle pedal.
Yeah, yeah. Are you gonna come back? So the ATVs were still on you when they got back?
Yeah, I was on my leg. I pulled back, dropped, turned around, and went back, and I'm on my leg.
Right.
There's snow there, and I'm
I'm on that one little rock section. That's no. You'll see here. No, I'm at that section, which is a nice S-turn now on it. Oh no, I mean, yeah, you gotta lot to do something on it. Yeah. Wish he'd come through with the thing and, whoa, what the hell happened? I believe in that turn. What'd you do? Man, did you just, he totally ended up like, just flipped you over? Wow. I guess it grabbed him and knocked him up in the hill. He was like perpendicular. Like, I guess what it did to me, but I mean, his tracks were way up the hill, the track. I'm not even sure. Wow. That's why I was wondering, you turn around, I was saying, I wish someone would come through and machine. I've seen them bring the backhoe and knock all that shit down. So when the snow starts softening up, well, that's what happens.
Oh, yeah, he's totally making a first check. I wonder if I can get by him. Let's see. I'm going to try to dip off the trail and around him.
All right. You want to get some momentum? You want me to back up?
Nope, there I go.
Oh, he's coming. He's making it back. He's like a foot away from dirt. Almost there, almost there. Oh, you missed the dirt. Okay, there he goes. He's on the dirt.
Alright, well, maybe the brakes it harder. I don't know. I'll just, I'm gonna get up out of the way here.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, we're making fresh snow all over the freaking place. Yeah.
Well, I'm taking his track.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, I got a mount. I'm gonna brake. Oh, baby.
Yes, sir.
Come on, baby.
If you don't mind going slow. Yeah. Uh-oh.
What? Oh, is that you?
Yep.
Where going? Wiggle.
This might be the end of the line.
Well, my next part is a long section. I just don't know.
This might be it. Might have to go back. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I don't see this shit happening. Do you have reverse override?
Yeah.
Do you ever use it?
Yeah, I did then. It was in my mind, but I was starting to move, so I didn't want to mess with it. Yeah, I was now that I have
Yeah.
front. And then it's fine. Okay, well, it's not that bad of a detour. But it's uphill, we do a switch back through and yeah, bummer.
Daniel's gonna try something. I think Daniel's gonna go off trail here.
Oh, I'm full of that now. We got another 8 feet on me.
You still going forward?
I almost feel like he might be moving. Damn, dude. He might. He's going a little left though. He's still kind of moving. But where does it end at some point?
I don't know.
He's still moving. Down on the film.
That's not how you cool off your belt.
No, I agree right now. Oh, there's
He's
more
done.
fruit detail.
He's done.
Those feel like icing crystals.
Yeah.
Boom! Oh!
he's gonna go, he needs to get on the dirt here and get a run at it.
He's doing it. It's just like, I don't know, that's a lot of... What do you think, Daniel? Is his right side in that curve? I think the left side is, you think he's more right? What do you think? I don't know, you're in a bad hole right now, I know, that's what you hit. So you don't blow us out. Why is it more? Oh, yellow, another 3 or 4 feet more.
But what's it look like around there?
Well, it goes to the right in the trees. It goes up and to the right. And then I know at some point there's a switch back in the turn of it. Oh, now he's in the deep snow again. But he threw it, please. The snow's not packing though. You can tell it looks spooky.
See, that's why him and Ken are able to make it, because they don't weigh anything.
I'm amazed. I'll go a little further now, yeah. You said that.
What, does he want you to go?
Yeah.
I just know I can't make it.
snow now again, reverse. Okay, he's trail widening. It snows so like icy crystals. Oh! Oh! Well, he's doing it. It's just, I don't know, man. It's a lot of speed. What do you think, Daniel? You think right side in that curve? I think left side is too deep. Be more right. What do you think? I know you're in a bad hole right now. I know that where you hit. We don't blow his belt. Widen it more. Oh, yellow. Another 3-4 feet more. Well, it goes to the right in the trees. It goes up and to the right. And then I know at some point there's a switch back in the turn. But, I mean, oh, now he's in the deep snow again. But he's getting through it. Sweet. The snow's not packing though. You can tell it looks soupy.
Don't be whirling. Okay, I see what you're saying. I went around that puppy.
Wow, look at the mud that's happening now.
Holy shit. What?
You're calling. You're doing it. Like it. Okay, let's do it.
Where you at?
Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Nope.
You were in the one.
I really didn't want to go back down that trail. I didn't want you to set it up for me. Yeah. Those trees up there look familiar. You know when that barricades were back there?
Yep.
Me and Ken were out here one time, and we're going down this road, and I wanted to go further, but he said his chest was hurting, so. Yep. Everything on this ride. Mud, snow, dust. I figured they'd be gone by now. You know, I'm thinking about putting those tamales on my engine, and then stopping over there where we go.